Now I analyze data by using VLOOKUP function. VLOOKUP function retrieves the value from data table. This function first looks the value from the first column of data table. VLOOKUP function then looks the column of data table which you specify and it returns the value from that column. This is the name of function. This function has 4 arguments. In lookup value argument, specify the value from the first column of data table. In table array argument, specify the range of data table. In column index num argument, specify the number of column. Function returns the value from the column which you specify. In range lookup argument, type true or false. For an approximate match, true is used. For an exact match, false is used. Click Cancel. Active this cell. In Formulas tab, Function Library Group, click Lookup and Reference arrow button. Move down, click VLOOKUP function. The function arguments dialog box opens. This data table is called lookup table. Function retrieves value from lookup table. In lookup value box, click this cell reference. Make sure this value and the value in first column of data table are same. Otherwise, function returns error. Press tab key. In table array box, select the range of data table or lookup table. Click this cell. Press Ctrl Shift down arrow. Again press Ctrl Shift right arrow. Press tab key. In column index num box, type column number. This is column number 1, this is column number 2, this is column number 3, and so on. I want to return the name of laptop company. Type 2 in column index num box because this is column number 2. Press tab key. In range lookup box, type false for an exact match. How this formula works? First function will look up the value laptop in the first column of the lookup table. If the value is matched in the first column of the lookup table, then function returns the value from the column number 2. Click OK. Function returns the name of laptop company Dell. In lookup table you can see the name of laptop company is Dell. Again active this cell. Now click in formula bar. Make the absolute position of data table cell references range or lookup table cell references range. Press F4. Click after the cell C4. Press F4. Click after the cell F15. Press F4. Press enter. Again active this cell. Paste the formula in other cell. Press mouse and drag down. Active this cell. To find the model of laptop, change the column number in formula bar. This is column number 3. Click in formula bar. Type 3. Press enter. To find the type of laptop, change the column number in formula bar. This is column number 4. Click in formula bar. Type 4. Press enter. To find the manufacturer year, change the column number in formula bar. This is column number 5. Click in formula bar. Type 5. Press enter. To find the price of laptop, change the column number in formula bar. This is column number 6. Click in formula bar. Type 6. Press enter. To find the discount on laptop, change the column number in formula bar. This is column number 7. Click in formula bar. Type 7. Press enter. To find total price of laptop, change the column number in formula bar. This is column number 8. Click in formula bar. Type 8. Press enter. To find the shipping status of laptop, change the column number in formula bar. This is column number 9. Click in formula bar. Type 9. Press enter. To find the stock value of laptop, change the column number in formula bar. This is column number 10. Click in formula bar. Type 10. Press enter. You can see these values are price values. Select these values. In Home tab, Number group. Click General arrow button. Click Currency. Now these values are price values. In this way, VLOOKUP function is used in Microsoft Excel worksheet.